was a young boy who lived in a small town. He was 10 years old and loved to play football. Every day, he watched other boys play football in the park. They ran fast, kicked the ball hard, and scored many goals. Tom wanted to be like them. He wanted to play football and be a good player. One day, Tom went to the park and asked the boys, "Can I play with you?" The boys looked at Tom and laughed. One boy said, "You are too slow. You cannot play well." Another boy said, "You will never score a goal." Tom felt sad, but he did not give up. The next day, Tom woke up early. He went to the park alone. He brought his old football. The ball was not new, but Tom loved it. He kicked the ball again and again. Sometimes he missed. Sometimes he fell on the ground. But Tom did not stop. He practiced every day. In the morning, Tom ran around the park to make his legs strong. In the afternoon, he kicked the ball to practice shooting. In the evening, he watched football games on TV to learn new moves. Tom worked hard, but it was not easy. His legs hurt. He was tired. Sometimes he wanted to stop. But Tom remembered his dream. He wanted to be a good football player. One day, the school announced a big football game. Every class would play against each other. Tom wanted to join the team. He went to the coach and said, "Coach, I want to play." The coach looked at Tom and smiled. "Tom, I see you working hard every day. You can join the team," the coach said. Tom was happy, but he was also nervous. What if he made a mistake? What if the other boys laughed at him again? Tom took a deep breath and said to himself, "I will not give up. I will try my best." On the day of the big game, many people came to watch. The teams wore their uniforms. Tom's team wore blue shirts. The other team wore red shirts. The game started. The players ran fast. They kicked the ball and tried to score goals. Tom ran too. He tried to take the ball, but the other players were faster. In the last minutes of the game, the score was 1-1. Both teams wanted to win. Tom's friend passed the ball to him. Tom saw the goal in front of him. He remembered all his hard work. He kicked the ball as hard as he could. The ball flew through the air and went into the goal. Tom scored. The crowd cheered. "Tom! Tom!" His friends ran to him and said, "Great job, Tom." "You did it." The coach smiled and said, "I am proud of you." Tom felt happy. He remembered the days when he felt tired and wanted to stop. But he did not give up. He worked hard, and now he was a hero. From that day, Tom knew a very important lesson. Never give up. If you work hard and believe in yourself, you can do anything.